everyone. A warm good afternoon to everyone who's come here today for this session, for the Project Learn session. To give you a brief introduction of Project Learn, it is an initiative that focuses on upskilling tech enthusiasts on emerging augmented reality with the help of workshops, hackathons, and building a community of highly engaged Spark AR community. The students here would be taught how to build their own AR effects using Spark AI Studio and features that enhance experience of Facebook and Instagram users. Before I begin, I would like to invite Shikha Mehta, who is the Strategic Partner Manager, Platform Partnerships at Meta. Welcome, Shikha.
Hi, thank you so much for the introduction, Anamika. And hello, a big hello to everybody who is online on this stream and learning about Spark AR Studio and augmented reality. So, just a brief introduction on what I do and what my brilliant partners here at Reskill are doing for you guys. So, I am a platform partnerships strategic partner manager at Meta Gurgaon office. What I do essentially is manage a book of business of partners who build on Spark AR Studio. So these partners can be agencies. These partners are individual developers. Some of them are trainers onboarded to this program to teach you guys around Spark AR, how to get your journey started. And I really hope you find it easy to work around, since there is no need for a very high tech coding in the early phases of starting out your journey on augmented reality, and the effects that you see on your Facebook family of apps. For example, on Instagram, there is this video calling effect that is getting viral, wherein get a call from a celebrity and you like strike a conversation with a celebrity. That is an AR effect. That is something that you can build from a Spark AR Studio with very simple, easy patch editors, which are like different codes in patches, and you can just align and bring out experiences of your own nature. So I'm so excited to invite you all on this journey. Your first session today, we have like the sessions, we have two sessions in each colleges, which will help you deliver your first AR effect. Post that, you can just let your creativity run wild and participate in different hackathons that the team at Reskills will be planning and sending out to you. And hopefully in future, you guys will come and work with us in Meta India in terms of, building out experiences for different brands and like building it out into a career. So I'm so excited for you all. And please reach out if there are any questions directly. You can definitely get my email address towards the end of the workshop in details that you get. And enjoy your journey today. And please share any feedback that you want with the team so that we can make it better. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shikha. Thanks a ton. So before we proceed towards the workshop, there's a small presentation that we want to run through you. So I would request Asker to share that presentation. Yes, share the screen. Thank you. Yeah. So as I mentioned, today we are working on Project Learn. Project Learn is an initiative which is supported by Reskill, and what we are doing here is, as I mentioned in my initial talk, that Project Learn is about training the students on AR effect, upskilling them. There are of course rewards and recognitions, and it is the basic premise here is to build up a community of highly engaged Spark AR community. And this community is going to be the basis of the next AR effects, the effects that we see in the coming time. And next, what we want to do here is a small video for you. So this was Spark AR Studio that helps the students and the community of creators and brands to create their own AR effects, AR experiences, and this is a part of a Facebook family. So about AR, I'm pretty sure you have been using AR in your daily life. Everybody is using Instagram, and we have been coming across various filters. So augmented reality is basically an interactive experience which digitally enhances what can be seen, heard, or touched in real life. As Chika has mentioned, you are when you go to Instagram, there is this celebrity talk, or guess the country, or guess the movie name. Such active activities are there. So these are all a part of augmented reality, and we are already having 600 million people using AR on Meta apps. So these are a few experiences that we create using AR. They are the face tracking masks. We have the world tracking, target tracking, body and hand tracking. So, and along with that, we also have some amazing creations, which I'm pretty sure you have been experiencing. So, how many of you must have spoken to Taylor Swift or Johnny Depp, who's current favorite of everybody, or maybe Amber Heard? You never know. So these are the effects that we can create through our the Spark AI Studio. You can also gamify your experience, as I mentioned, that guess the country, guess the movie name. You can play word games. So all of this can be brought about using the app here, the AR effects. And again, when the whole country was locked down, under the lockdown, we found it very difficult to reach out to our family, friends, and relatives with whom we normally would celebrate our festivals, our events. So what we did was we actually resorted to using AR effects to wish people on Diwali, or maybe create effects on Diwali, create effects on Holi, sending them across, so that we have a real life experience sitting at our homes without venturing out, obeying the safety norms, and yet enjoying the festival. So this is what we do when we are creating our AR effects. We emphasize on the moment for that. Along with that, if you look at the reels, as per the data, it says that 35% of the reels are produced daily in our country, which means that there's a huge market, which means that there's a career that is calling for all of us to look forward to something that is totally new, innovative, and which is futuristic. Also, augmented reality jobs offer a lot of opportunity to all the creative. If you have a creative mindset, as Shika has mentioned, that this is a no code platform, and the minimal coding is just, or minimum coding, if you know, that is an added advantage. You can actually be a part of this community, and you can actually create wonderful career opportunities for yourself. And independent creators, they're already making a big moolah out of their own effects. So that's how it impacts the careers also. And today, as go through this workshop, uh, Lakshit Pant would be guiding you on this, the how to create your own AR effects. And he's an experienced AR creator who's been working for 2 years, and he has created some good, amazing AR effects. And he was also the campus ambassador at Reskill Spark AI Campus Ambassador Program in 2021. And now I would like to hand over the virtual stage to Lakshit, who would be taking you through today's effect.
Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you all are excited for today's session because we are going to make an exciting filter today. So this is the filter that we are going to make today. So yeah, so we are going to put some emojis on our eyes. So I'll tell you how to do this, and this is a very simple process. As Shikha mentioned already, like this Parker Studio and this Parker augmented reality, it's not about the coding, like it's not about learning something, or it's totally about creation and how much enthusiasm you have inside your mind to create something new. It's all about the innovation that you have in your mind. Like suppose there some people, there are so many domains in the like technical world, like multiple domains are there where you require coding and everything. But so when I started the Spark here, how I why so I was looking for some escape to that coding part. I was looking for some productive escape to that coding part. So Spark here was the best fit for me because here everything you do is very easy. The tools are that Spark here, workspace is very easy to use, the filter, the patch editor you have. So the minimum English, just the meaning of English, the topics you have, means it is very easy to use this Spark here. Right now, if I'll share my screen, so you can see there is nothing up in my screen going right now. So I just want you to go from the very basics. So this is my screen. You can see that nothing is on my screen. So why Spark here? So let's jump. So it's Spark here. When it comes to Spark here only, you have to think like that. So there is one quote. Someone planted a tree a long ago because someone sitting in a tree shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. So you have to start somewhere to get into somewhere. So right now, today we are going to kickstart a journey of Spark here. So let me share my screen and show you how we can start this Spark here. So first of all, if you guys haven't downloaded the Spark here Studio, so let me go to the Spark here download. So Spark, you can go to this link. I'll just paste it on the chat box. So you can go through this link and download the Spark Studio. And right now, the Studio is not available for the Linux users. It is only available for the Windows users and the Mac users. It's only available. So you can still dual boot your laptop or system so that you can use the Spark here. So it is what looks like the Spark here. So moving on to this place, you can just download your Spark Studio, and after downloading Spark Studio, your Spark Studio is something looks like this. Okay, Spark here. Yeah, so let's wait for a minute. So let's open the Spark here and let's start your journey of creation today. And don't hesitate. So हम हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे, हम इंग्लिश में भी बात करेंगे. We'll try to engage this session more. What I want to do with you guys is today you should create your first AR effect. You should learn how to create your AR effect today. So yeah, let's change this. So when you will open your Spark here, इस तरीके से आपके सामने एक interface आएगा. And now you must be wondering what are these things? What are these templates? What is this video visualizer, piano, and all these things? What are these things? So basically, guys, ये सारी templates है. So you can go through this. These are the templates. So if you will go to any template, अगर आपको Spark या if you are a very new beginner to Spark या like you are right now, तो आप इन templates को use कर सकते हैं. आप किसी भी template में जाइए. Suppose you are going to this template, okay, so you are going to like this one. So let's open this one template right now. So if you will go to these templates, आपको सारी चीजें अपने सामने मिलेंगी. आपको बस कुछ minimum से changes करने होंगे and you can just make your Spark effect. Okay, so this is what it looks like to make a Spark effect. So let me show you how. So yeah, so see, this is the Spark tool. Exact tool is this one. The Spark tool is this one. And let me just change it to this because yeah. So you can see. So these are the templates. आपको जो हम काम करने वाले जो गॉगल से वहाँ पर already pinned है. So you can use these templates also. But if you want to create your own Spark effect, you can go with your own Spark effect. So right now I'm just going to new Spark. Yeah. So there are multiple templates. You can use the word objects and the Spark and the eyelashes. So Spark में someone, okay, let me close this again. So let me open the Spark Studio again. So some of you are wondering like, what is this, word object? What is word object? So when it comes to word object is something which is presenting, you are just making an effect, which is a back camera effect. Like suppose आपने कुछ गेम्स देखे होंगे जो स्क्रॉल करते हैं, लाइक यू आर स्क्रॉलिंग और स्वाइपिंग समथिंग, उस तरीके से वर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट में आप गेम बना सकते हैं. 3D एक्सपीरियंस, आप कोई फुटबॉल खेल सकते हैं. यू कैन डू मल्टीपल थिंग्स, दिस मेकअप फिल्टर, यू कैन ब्यूटीफाई योर फेस यूजिंग दिस मेकअप फिल्टर. आप अपने सो Spark gives you the leniency to make anything whatever you have in your mind. So this is what, so you can turn your imagination into reality. आप अपनी imagination को अपनी reality में लेके आ सकते हैं Spark के through. So just make a filter. So suppose you want to beautify your filter. So बहुत सारे Instagram पे beautify वाले filters होते हैं Instagram पे, but आपको कहीं किसी filter में ऐसा लगता है कि this filter is not tailor made for me. So you can just go to Spark and whatever changes you want, आप मेकअप फिल्टर में अपने अकॉर्डिंग चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं. So this is what you can create. So like group word features, the hand movement, gesture movement, the wristwatch, Iron Man आपको बनाना है, you can make your own Iron Man suit, the 3D objects, color portrait आपको like anime characters, बहुत लोग multiple folks are aligned after the anime. They are not fascinated about the anime character, so you can create by color portrait, and with these templates, using these templates you can just make some anime characters also. You can put a hat in your head also. You can just decorate your neck and 3D stickers, eye colors. You can do anything, whatever you want. You can just color your hair. So these are the templates that you can use. And so basically this is all about the template. Now let's going when it comes to the learn project. If you will go to learn toggle, you can see the multiple tutorials out there. So after this session, if you are having any query in your mind, so what you can do is just go to learn tab and you can just search out whatever filter you want to learn. Okay, so this is what learn tab looks like, and the recent projects will show you what projects you have created recently. So these are the projects that I have created recently. So this recent projects allows me with जो मैंने पुराने filters create किए. So right now we are going to create a blank project. So I'll click on the blank project toggle. So I hope my screen is visible to you all. So in between, if someone has any doubt, so please let us know about any kind of doubts. I would be very happy to clear your all doubts. So this is what Spark AR workspace looks like, guys. This Spark AR की workspace है. Now, who is this guy? Or what are these things? What are these options? And what is this? So I'll give a quick overview of all these things to you. So this is nothing but just a simulator. So Spark AR में आपको काफी सारे simulator मिलेंगे different face के according. Like if you want a female simulator, so you can use this one. If you want a female with short hairs, you can use this one, or this one too. So based on a face color and all these things. So you can a man with a turban or beard something. If you want to, अगर आपको कोई beard color वाला face effect बनाना है, तो आप इस simulator को use कर सकते हैं. If you want to create some guy with different face alignment, जिसका face alignment कुछ अलग है, so you can use this simulator also. And if you are creating a back camera effect, you can use a plane tracker. So ये back camera effect आपको plane को track करता है. This is a back camera effect, so you can use a plane tracker also. Now what I'm going to use, and if you want to use your camera also, you can use your camera too. So let me show you how you can do this. Okay, just a second. So yeah, perfect. If I will be able to show this one, yeah, you can see this. I can use my camera also. अगर आपको अपने face पे camera filter use करना है, जो कि preferable होता है, because if you are creating some filters, अगर आप अपने face पे filters try out करते हैं, so it sounds a bit fascinating to everyone. Like, yeah, this is working on me, perfect. So this is how it looks like. So basically, this is all about the simulators. So यहाँ पे आपको कई सारे cameras के option भी दिखाई देंगे, like Logitech. This is which one I'm using for the streaming purpose. This one, so you can add more simulation over here. अगर आपको कुछ और simulation चाहिए होते हैं, so you can download and add some more simulation over here. Right now I don't want to use any simulation, so I'll just go with these simulation now. Okay, so now let me give you a quick overview. So basically this is your scene panel, where the device, the camera, the focal distance, the ambient light, and where it is ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पर है. So first let's talk about this one. So if I'll undock it, आप इस जो user experience है, आप इसको किसी भी इसको अनडॉक कर सकते हैं, इसको आप कहीं पर भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं, अगर आपको यहाँ पे एक बेसिकली एम्प्टी स्पेस चाहिए. ओके, एंड आल्सो यू कैन कैप्चर, you can use multiple captures things. You can use multiple dock things also. So video library, and if you want to simulate the touch, unpin, reset, iOS up. Okay, so suppose if you want to create a filter for a specific Android or iOS device, you can do that thing also. अगर आपको किसी specific Android device के लिए अपना filter बनाना है, you can just go through this. Okay, yeah, so you can just go through this and you can just choose the iOS device for which the filter you want. Android device filter, Google Pixel के लिए आपको बनाना है, किसी भी filter के लिए. So if you don't want to do that, just pick it to the default. So this is from this point, this is the scene panel. So device, what is this device? Device, if you will click on, if जैसे मैंने इस device पर click करा, you can see the blue button is being toggled over here. So what is this? जो blue highlight हुआ है, what is this? So this is nothing but just a viewport. I hope you guys are aware of what viewport looks like. So viewport is nothing but simply like, let me show you what viewport looks like. So it's a vision. Viewport is the vision when you can view the, the spark here on the where it's like a vision. So suppose I'm doing this. Okay, just let me do this. So if I'm doing this, now my view is closed. My view is limited. I can't see here. I won't be able to see the things that are here. If I'll do this, I won't be able to see the things are here. So this is my view. This is my view. In front of me, this is my view. So this is how what a viewport looks like. So the camera viewport, this is resembling the camera viewport. This is your camera. Okay. This is your phone. This is your device. Okay. Yeah, you can see. This is your phone. This is your camera, and this is the vision that it is being creating. तो what is happening, तो आप जितने भी filters बनाएंगे वो आप सारे इस viewport पे बनाएंगे. So what is happening, so let me suppose tell you how it is happening. So this is your camera, suppose. So I'll just give a 2D representation to you all. So this is your camera and this is your viewport. Okay, this is your viewport. ये आपका viewport है. So कोई भी इतनी बड़ी चीज नहीं है, बहुत आसान चीज है. तो जितने भी हम filters बनाएंगे सारे हम filters यहाँ पे place करेंगे. इस एरिया में अपने filters place करेंगे ताकि हमारा जो व्यू पोर्ट है उसके बीच में एक एडिशनल हमें फिल्टर्स मिल सके. वी विल क्रिएट फिल्टर इज नथिंग, बस फिल्टर कुछ भी नहीं है. इट जस्ट अनदर लेयर दैट यू आर पुटिंग इन बिटवीन योर कैमरा एंड बिटवीन योर व्यू पोर्ट. दैट्स इट. आप अपनी स्क्रीन, आपका जो व्यू पोर्ट है, आपका जो कैमरा का विजन है, उसके बीच में और आपके जो कैमरा है उसके बीच में आप एक अनदर लेयर ऐड कर रहे हैं फिल्टर की. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक टू यूज अ व्यू पोर्ट. Next, it's about the camera and focal distance. I hope you heard this term before, focal distance. So what is focal distance? Is just basically you heard this term before. Like focal distance क्या होता है? It's just like for a normal human eye, it's 25 centimeter. So after above above 25 centimeter, you would be able to see the objects clearly. So below 25 centimeter, the object seems a bit blurry to us. So this is what focal distance looks like. So this is all about the scene panel. Now this is the asset panel. Now अगर आप asset को search करेंगे, so let me show you what is asset looks like. Okay, this is not what asset looks like. Just a second. So अगर आप asset की meaning search करेंगे, Google करेंगे what is asset, so you will see a useful, valuable thing for a person. Okay, so you can see a useful, valuable thing for or a person. So what is valuable for you guys? Your assets. Suppose someone आजकल काफी सारी चीजें famous हो रही है. You have to create your asset, you have to build your empire, you have to buy a building, you have to buy a car. So these are your assets. Your skill is your asset. If you are learning today, you are going to learn augmented reality. So this is your asset. This is your skill set that you are going to learn. So the things which are important to you, that is your asset. You are building something that is useful to you. So that is your asset. Okay, जो चीज आपके लिए यूजफुल है, so asset में हमारे लिए क्या यूजफुल होगा? हमारे materials, हमारे textures. So these are the things which are useful for us. So these are our assets. Now here one more terms come, materials. Okay, so what is material? Suppose you are cooking a food. Okay, आप कोई dish prepare कर रहे हैं. Okay, so if suppose you are making a biryani, अगर आप बिरयानी बना रहे हैं, so biryani में the chawal that you will be using, the rice that you will be putting in, that is your material. उसके ऊपर आप सारे काम करने वाले हैं. The chawal, that the rice you will be using, that is your material, and the the color, the turmeric, and all the masalas and all whatever you are going to put in the chicken and everything that you are going to put in your biryani, that is your textures. Getting my point? Let's go through one more example. I am wearing goggles, I am wearing t-shirt, I am wearing trousers, I am wearing shoes. So individually, my shirt, my shoes, my trousers, my specs, these are my asset. And collection of all these textures is materials. So the graph looks like this. So अगर मैं आपको simple layman terms में बताऊं, so what it looks like to work on an asset. So जो graph है वो इस तरीके से होता है. Okay, then this one, then this one. So yeah, so this is your texture. पहले आपका टेक्सचर आता है, ठीक है. Let me color it. Okay, so yeah, so let me give it. So this orange one is your texture. Okay, collection of all the textures. what I'm saying, collection of all the textures is material. As I said, जो आपको beautify करेगा, that is your texture. You will beautify your spark या effect with your textures. So आप अगर बिरयानी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, so आप वहाँ पे जितने भी मसालास डालेंगे, जितनी भी चीजें आप उसमें डालने वाले हैं, that are your textures. Okay, so collection of all that is material. Now collection of everything, material plus texture, is your, okay, let me just go through this. This is your material. Okay, no, this is your asset, everything what you want to use, and this is your material. So this is in just layman term, I just told you, आप बिरयानी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आपकी जो मसाला that you will be using, that is your textures, the things. So just go through this. So आज जो हम filter बनाने हैं, I just told you what we are going to make today. So what it looks like to create a filter. So in Spark here, it is very easy to create a filter. So आपको suppose अगर आपको कुछ चीज यहाँ पे लेके आनी है, so you can just go to import. अगर आपको import करना है तो आप यहाँ से directly import भी कर सकते हैं. Suppose आपको यहाँ से import करना है, so आप import में click करके भी import कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, what you can do, the simple thing, drag and drop. If you just don't want to import it from that, you can just drag and drop the things. Okay, let me search it. But where are my emojis? Okay. Just a second, guys. So yeah, here it is. Just drag and drop. What I did, I just click on this again. I'm showing it to you again. Click on this, put it here, drag and drop. That's it. So this is what it is so simple to work on a Spark here. Now, what is this? So I just forgot to tell you this. This is your properties filter, where you can change, different properties are there. अगर आपको अपने textures की, materials की properties change करनी, there are multiple properties over here. So you can just change these properties by using a Spark filter. Okay, आप यहाँ से अपने properties change कर सकते हैं. So today, what we are going to do, as I have already shown you, we are going to put some, इस emoji को हम अपने eye पर लाने की कोशिश करें. So let's do this. So for that purpose, so someone is wondering what is this microphone. So आपने कई सारे फिल्टर्स ऐसे देखे होंगे जिसमें आप कोई वॉइस इंपोर्ट करते हैं और आपकी वॉइस चेंज होकर आती है. लाइक कभी बच्चे की वॉइस आ रही है, सपोज कभी किसी एलियन टाइप वॉइस आ रही है. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी विल बी यूजिंग दैट माइक्रोफोन. It is a bit advanced feature of Spark. Okay, we'll go through this later on the later section. So what we are going to use now, I'll just click on this plus icon. So here you will see multiple options: face tracker, plane tracker, target tracker, hand tracker. So what is face tracker? Face tracker is but simply if I want to track my face, this is my face. If I want to track my face, I'll use a face tracker. If I want to track a plane, that is a back camera effect. अगर मैं back camera effect मेरे को search करना है, like suppose मुझे कोई vaccination portal type बनाना है, तो मैं plane tracker use करूँगा. Target tracker, suppose मेरे को कोई QR code scan करना है. So if you will see, okay, let me show you one thing. Nike target tracker effect. So demographics augmentation. So Nike ने क्या करा था? Nike has created a virtual, if you will track that, if you will scan that QR code, आप एक virtual showroom में पूरा देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा शूज किस तरीके का है, क्या उसकी प्राइस रेंज है. It will show you an entire overview of a virtual showroom. So even you can create using a target tracker, you can create that too. And hand tracker as it is, इससे आप एक simple सा inference ले सकते हैं. You can just track your hands and everything, simple things. And plane, null object, 3D object, you can face mesh, 3D text. So let me tell you how it is 3D text. So अगर आप यहाँ पे this, so आप इस 3D text को change कर सकते हैं, आपकी position change कर सकते हो कहीं भी. So I'm just giving you an example. So जो भी आपकी need है उसके basis पे आप सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं. Okay. So right now let me tell you how to make the emojis filter. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक import करेंगे, that is plane. What I did, I just click on this. मैंने यहाँ पे plane search किया and it will give me a plane automatically. वो उसने मुझे एक plane लाकर दे दिया. So for the better purpose, I just switch it to this because yeah, cool. So now the plane is here. What I will do, I'll just rename it. So जब आप थोड़े से अच्छे फिल्टर्स, थोड़े से कुछ जस्ट कूल फिल्टर्स बनाने स्टार्ट करेंगे, so this is your first AR effect, first AR workshop, when you will start some creating some more AR effect, you will see multiple things. आपको वहाँ पे नीम का इशू आ जाए, so for avoiding that duplication, थोड़ा सा अपना distraction, थोड़ा सा confusion हटाने के लिए हम इसको rename कर देते हैं. So I'll just rename it to left eye, and what I will do, I'll just duplicate it and I'll just rename it to right eye. Okay, just a second. I'll just rename it to right eye. Simple. Now you can see a bunch of properties over here. आप काफी सारी properties यहाँ पे देख रहे होंगे जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रही हैं. So I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll just import a face tracker. Okay, face tracker को मैं सबसे ऊपर लेके जाता हूँ. ठीक है, because face tracker I just जो भी मेरा face है, my face will be, जो emojis है वो मेरा face track करेगा, and that is how it will just put those emojis into my eyes. That's it. So अभी मैंने क्या क्या see, now you can see the planes are moving. जो plane मैंने import किया है, this plane is moving if I am changing my position of head. See, plane मेरे साथ move कर रहा है. So अगर मैं इसको undo करूँ, see, let me show you here. See, this is your phone, this is your camera, this is the vision. Okay, let me show you device. You can see in between, अगर मैं आपको इस तरीके से इस एंगल से दिखाऊं, हम ये आपका व्यू पोर्ट है, जो व्यू पोर्ट में आपसे बात कर रहा हूं. इन बिटवीन देयर इज अ लेयर क्रिएटेड. सो दिस इज वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू पुट ए एक्स्ट्रा लेयर ऑफ द फिल्टर्स. तो यहाँ पे हम सारे एक्स्ट्रा फिल्टर्स जो अपने पुट करेंगे, एंड दिस इज द फेस ट्रैकर दैट वी आर यूजिंग. सो यू कैन जस्ट चेंज द change the position and everything of this the of your AR effect. अगर आपको position आप करे, आपको अब you have two options. So what two option I am having is, first of all, ये plane काफी सारे बड़े दिख रहे हैं. So I'll just I'll just click on this, select both of this. मैंने इन दोनों को controls के साथ select करके इन दोनों को select किया. But I'll go to properties और मैं यहाँ पे इनका scale छोटा करूँगा. What is scale? Scale is the size. I'll just decrease the size. बहुत सारे लोगों को सोच रहा होगा कि 1 size है तो how it will fit. Now I'll just create the size to 1.5. 1.5 in x direction, 1.5 in y direction, 1.5 in z direction. So see, you can see the size of the plane is decreased now, because I don't want it to be covering all my face. I just want it to be on my screen, on my eyes. I just want it the filter, मुझे बस अपनी आंखों पे eyes emojis चाहिए. So I'll just decrease the size. क्या करना है, इन दोनों को select करना है and just click on scale. Just change the properties from scale to 1 to 0.5, और based on your requirements आप scale की properties और छोटी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so this is all about the scale property. Now what I want to do, I just click on this position. Now what is this patch editor? So that's where this part here lies. So while I was doing the coding stuff, I was just creating some website, doing some ML projects and all these things. So there I had to do a lot of coding to run my backend and everything. But in Spark here, you don't have to do any coding. If you don't know coding, if you know coding, that's a plus. मतलब अगर आपको coding करनी है तो आप coding से भी Spark का filter बना सकते हैं. But I don't want to do coding, that's why I'm here. So आपको क्या करना है, simple. For that purpose, you have to use patch editor. पैच एडिटर आपके सारे बैकग्राउंड प्रोसेसेस को एक्सेस कर सकता है. जितने भी आपके बैकग्राउंड प्रोसेस में जो भी आपको लॉजिक क्रिएट करना है, आप सारा पैच एडिटर पे क्लिक करके करेंगे. सो व्हाई दिस इज लेफ्ट आई एंड राइट आई, व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई जस्ट डिलीट इट वंस अगेन. तो सेलेक्ट योर लेफ्ट आई एंड राइट आई एंड क्लिक ऑन दिस. जैसे आपको ये दिख रहा होगा, मैंने ओके लेट मी शो यू जिस तरीके से मैं इस पोजीशन के यहाँ पे एरो पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ, तो दीज आर बीइंग कम अप इन माय स्क्रीन, पैच एडिटर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट. Now the next what you have to do is click on this face tracker. आपको face tracker पे click करना है, drag and drop करना है patch editor पे. What I did, okay, let me do the process again. Simple. What you have to do, click on the face tracker. अभी तक मैंने left और right eye को patch editor पे लाया था, अब मैं face tracker को लेके आऊंगा. So I'll click on this face tracker. I'll just put it in the patch editor, drag and drop. That's it. Now, what is this face finder? What is this face select? I'll just give you a quick overview of this. सो फेस फाइंडर, बट दिस पैच इज डूइंग, ये मेरे फेस को ढूंढ रहा है स्क्रीन में, समझ रहे हो गाइस, मेरे फेस को वो ढूंढ रहा है फेस फाइंडर में। अब उसने यहाँ पे मेरा फेस ढूंढ लिया, अब वो मेरे फेस को, जो मेरा फेस है उसको सेलेक्ट कर रहा है। सो हो सकता है कि मल्टीपल फेसेस यहाँ पर, लाइक मेरे साथ कुछ और भी दोस्त हो मेरे, वो भी जो मेरे साथ खड़े हो, तो उसमें से कौन सा फेस सेलेक्ट कर रहा है, उस फेस को सेलेक्ट कर रहा है यहाँ पर। ना उसने फेस सेलेक्ट कर लिया, ना उस फेस के जो पोजीशन है उनको ट्रैक करेगा। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, I'll just go to this face and I'll just इस तरीके से मैं इसको खींचूंगा आगे को, and it will just show me go to face landmarks, और face landmark से I just need eyelid. So eyelid is basically, this thing is eyelid. So if you are not okay, just let me unlock it first. So these are the things that we call eyelid. These are eyebrows and these are eyelids. These are eyelids. So मुझे अपने eyelids पे जो emojis है वो प्लेस करना है, तो मैं किस तरीके से eyelids को प्लेस करूंगा? So see, आप इस पूरी प्रोसेस को इग्नोर भी कर सकते हैं. So what you can do is just simply you can just click on left eye and just you can place wherever you want to place your left eye thing. So if I just okay, let me just view patch editor. So if I'll just delete this, what you can see, अगर मैं पैच एडिटर, मैं अभी क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो मेरे लेफ्ट और राइट आई हैं प्लेन है, उनको अपने पोजीशन पे लेके आना चाह रहा हूँ. सो यू कैन जस्ट ओके, लेट मी पॉज इट फर्स्ट. ओके, व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन प्लेस लाइकवाइज आल्सो, आप इसको अपने लेफ्ट आई के सामने इस एंड देन राइट आई को राइट आई के सामने रख सकते हैं. ओके, लाइक दिस. बट इट विल मैनुअली अगर मैं वो चीज करूंगा, यू कैन सी देयर विल बी सम एरर. मैनुअली वो चीज करने में कुछ लूप होल्स रह जाएंगे. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट अनडू दिस प्रोसेस. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द the patch editor, this one. This is why I'm using the patch editor, guys. So what I will do, I'll click on this face thing, I'll search for face, I will go to face landmarks, और मैं यहाँ पे eyelid, अगर आपको चेन पे प्लेस कर, अगर आपको इमोजी सपोज चेन पे प्लेस करनी है, you can place your emojis or chain, this chain, you can place your emojis or chain, cheek, multiple eyebrow पे कर सकता है, ball पे कर सकता है, you can place it anywhere wherever you want. But right now I just want to place it on eyelid. I'll click on this and I'll do the enter. Now you will see multiple options here. What are these? आपको उसे कहाँ पे प्लेस करना है, लेफ्ट आई सेंटर पे करना है, लेफ्ट इनसाइड कॉर्नर पे करना है, किस पोजीशन पे आपको करना है, यू कैन डिसाइड इट दैट टू आल्सो. सो आई जस्ट वांट इट टू, लेफ्ट आई को मैं लेफ्ट आई के सेंटर से कनेक्ट करूंगा, ओके, एंड राइट आई को मैं राइट आई के सेंटर से कनेक्ट करूंगा. आई जस्ट वांट टू पुट दैट इमोजी ऑन माय okay, let's undock this. You can see now it is being placed. अगर मैं अपने फेस को मूव भी कर रहा हूँ, so the plane is not moving, it is not static, it is dynamic, it is responsive. वो मेरी आंखों के मूवमेंट के साथ वो मूव कर रहा है. So that's why I have created this patch editor. So again, so let me do this process again. Again एक बार प्रोसेस समझाते हैं कि मैंने किया क्या. Okay, so I just did a simple thing. I just clicked on face tracker. मैंने इसको drag and drop किया patch editor पे. Then what I did, face finder is just finding my face selecting is selecting my face, and face tracker will track my face. Okay, then what I will do, I'll click on this face option. I'll go to face landmarks. मैं अपने face landmarks को search करूँगा. Then I'll go to eyelid because I just want to put it on eyelid. Then I'll just on the eyelid I'll just go to the left eye को मैं left eye से connect करूँगा, right eye को right eye से connect करूँगा. That's it. Place over it. That's it. This is what you have to do. Simple, very simple. Okay.
I I guess Lakshit has lost his internet connection. Just give us 5 minutes.
I'm sorry for the glitch, guys. So my internet connection was lost. So I was telling you to the Spark here thing. So let me just reshare my screen. आपको screen share करता हूँ. Then we just go through it. Okay. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to you all. So what we will do? So yeah, so simple. I'll just reopen the Spark. या तो हम क्या कर रहे थे अपने जो आईलेट जो हमारे इमोजी से उसको अपने बेसिस पे हम अपने आई बॉल पे आईलेट पे सेंटर लेस करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. कैंसिल ओपन प्रोजेक्ट. या सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्पार्क यार, बिकॉज़ स्पार्क यार में आपको लेंसी मिलती है कि आप स्पार्क ऐप पे जो पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, लाइक सपोज राइट नाउ माय इंटरनेट कनेक्शन वाज लॉस्ट, बट आई एम एबल टू reopen my project that I was creating. So this is what I was creating. So I was able to reopen my project. So I was showing you this. आप पैच एडिटर पे क्या करना था? So go to this face icon, go to the face landmarks, then eyelid पे जाना है, double click on it, and thus just connect with the left eye को left side से connect करेंगे, right eye को right side से connect करेंगे. That's it, and it is being placed. Now what I will do, I'll just go to this left eye and click on the material. मैंने आपको मटेरियल का फंडा थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करा था. सो व्हाट इज दिस मटेरियल? दैट चावल, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग अ बिरयानी, सो दैट चावल इज योर मटेरियल वेयर यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग. ओके, द टेक्सचर्स यू विल बी पुटिंग, सो यू कैन सी द टेक्सचर्स ओवर हियर. These textures are your masalas and everything you are going to put in your biryani. So I'll just rename it to left eye. Okay, so I'll just choose the texture this one. Right eye, again same thing. Okay, so okay, emoji 1. Yeah, so you can see this, it is in place. So suppose I'm not satisfied with the position, it is being थोड़े से कुछ छोटे से लग रहा है, तो इनको हल्का सा इनका साइज बढ़ाते हैं, ठीक है. So what I will do, I'll just put it to 0.7. 0.7. Go to right eye, 0.7. This is it. You can see these emojis. Or suppose if you want to create if you just okay, let me show you how you can do this. अगर आपको अपने दोनों आंखों पे अलग-अलग emojis लाने, so you can do that thing also. So let me show you how. So if I'll just emoji, मैं एक और material बनाऊंगा, ठीक है, emoji, then I'll just choose the another texture, this one, and just I'll go to right eye, I'll just select this one. You can see this. How cool is this? You can do anything, whatever you want to do. So this is the best part of the Spark here. It gives you multiple you can say, okay, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. That's it. Perfect. So this is how you can create simple emojis filter. So this is all about today's session. So yeah, so this is how you can create, अगर आप इस viewport पे देखेंगे, so your emojis are, so this is me. So you can see this is me, and this is, okay, let me select it. This is my camera, and these are the additional layer that I have created in between. So if in between anyone has any doubt, so yeah, Anand, Harsh, if anyone has any doubt regarding the Spark here, so just let me know. And now let's go to the benefits of making a Spark here filter. So ये just basically glimpse था छोटा सा कि आप कैसे अपना एक छोटा सा Spark here filter बना सकते हैं. Now if you want to just publish it, you can just go to add experience. You can just publish it also in your Spark here hub. You can just publish it too. So what is the sharing experience? आपको अपने filter को कहाँ पे share करना है? If you want to share it to Instagram, if you want to share it to Facebook, you can just share it on Facebook also, and you can share it on Instagram also. You can just click on add experience, insert, and done. Okay. Then what you have to do, go to this. This is your publish icon. Go to this publish. Yeah, and you have to record a video of yourself making this filter. आपको ऐसे एक तरीके से अपनी video record करनी पड़ेगी, and this is how you can create a simple AR effect. This is it, guys. This is it. Now let me show you the perks. आपके पास perks है क्या Spark या filter? For the Spark Learn, so the program that is going on right now, the Spark Learn program जिसका जो हम सभी जो workshop आप attend कर रहे हैं, so इसके perks क्या हैं? If you will make some, this is just a kickstart so that you can start making a Spark या filter. Now आप trend के हिसाब से जा सकते हैं, like that वो एक dialogue बहुत है, my dog stepped on a bee. So you can just make a dog, make a dog face of, आप अपने face को एक dog face बना सकते हैं, एक bee वहाँ पे ला सकते हैं, उसको ऐसे पाव करने वाला hand tracker use करके ऐसे पाव करने वाला कर सकते हैं. No one knows. So I'll show you billion of impressions you will be get. आपको billions of impressions मिल जाएंगे, and if you will see the perks now, so let me show you how. What are the perks? आपको आज थोड़ा सा fascination करते हैं. So every time there is a hackathon going on a Spark here, you just have to create some simple minimal effects. आपको छोटे-छोटे filters बनाने हैं, and you can see it just अभी हमने सिर्फ 10 मिनट के अंदर एक छोटा सा filter बना दिया. Even if you right now I'm just orating all this stuff, if you do this stuff on your own, then it won't be taking more than 5 minutes. You can create a simple effect in 5 minutes. फिर आपको brainstorm करना है किस तरीके से आपको filter बनाना है, आपकी creation क्या है. Okay, so let me show you what are the perks of the Spark here. के perks क्या है. ठीक है, so you can see there are a lot of competitions are going in Spark here. So you can see Spark words, there is a hackathon going on Spark here. Now you can see the prizes, guys. What are the prizes? First prize will be getting $20,000. Fifth, second will be $15,000. Even if you are in the top 500, you will be getting $3,000. So how cool is this? Okay, I'm sorry, my screen is not visible. Yeah, now you can see. So if you will search for these competitions, Spark competitions, you can see the prizes. How how cool are these prizes? You will get ample amount of time. 11 दिन है आपके पास एक filter बनाने के लिए. It has started from 31st May and it will end on 21 June. So you can see the prizes. First one will be getting $20,000. Second one will, it is like somewhere around somewhere around 15 lakh rupees. First prize 15 lakh rupees. Even if you are in top 500 also, you can get $300, around 1,500 rupees, just for creating one Spark effect. Just for creating this, you can win $500. How cool is this? You can just make a word effect. You can, and if you want to learn all these effects apart from this workshop, and this you can go through the learn projects and all this. You can create multiple filters. So this is how you can do. This is how you can do. So Spark here is totally about your imagination. It's totally about your enthusiasm. It's totally about your innovation. So how you have to break down your things? First of all, let me show you. So you have to break down these things in a manner. So first of all, brainstorm. So what is brainstorm? पहले आपको ये decide कर ले कि आपको बनाना क्या है. अगर आप clear कर ले कि आपको बनाना क्या है, then you have to search for assets. What are these assets? I already told you the masala that you are going to put in your material thing. जो आप बिरयानी में अपने डालने वाले मसाला, this is your asset. So that आपकी जो base prepare हो जाए, आपको जो Spark filter है वो prepare हो जाए. आपको assets होना. अगर आपको assets नहीं मिलते हैं, so there is also one more thing. So you can just search for assets. You can go to asset library also. However, in the Spark app panel that we were using, there is an option called asset library. So अगर आपको assets नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास free of cost सारे assets available है. 3D objects, music, sound, patch assets, textures, blocks, everything is available. Everything. You can do whatever you want to do. This is totally up to you. Okay. So just go through these and you can just put some, अगर आपको assets नहीं मिले, then you can do this. Now, okay, there is one more thing, innovation. Enthusiasm. That's it. First, you have to brainstorm your idea, like what you want to create. Search for the trends that are going on. जो market में trends चल रहे हैं, उन trends को ढूंढो. किस तरीके से trends चल रहे हैं. Innovation, like suppose IPL चल रहा है. Suppose Indian Premier League चल रहा है. So make a filter on IPL. IPL में who is your favorite creator? Like game बना सकते हैं. But Shikha has already told you in the presentation. You can just gamify your experience. You can do whatever you want to do. You can just make some games. आप उसमें कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. आप ऐसे slider इस तरीके से UI slider बना सकते हैं. आप pick your favorite character इस तरीके से, यहाँ पे pick your favorite character इस तरीके से आ सकता है. आप कुछ भी filter बना सकते हैं. That is totally up to your creativity. What you want to create. आपको जो भी क्रिएट करना है, जस्ट ब्रेनस्टॉर्म दैट थिंग कि आपको क्रिएट क्या करना है. जस्ट फर्स्ट डिवाइड दोस थिंग्स, आप बनाना क्या चाहते हैं, देन गो टू इनोवेशन, आप क्या बनाना चाहिए, enthusiasm. This is what Sparker wants. Then assets, I just already told you, can just go to asset library, you can just choose those, you can just search out there those assets from there. That's it. So this is what it all needs to make a Sparker effect, and I'll be telling you some. So just I'll share you this Sparker, the library with you all. So you can just make this Sparker effect also like this, and we will just try to make this one filter. Just try to make some emojis on your eyes. Try to recreate this filter on your own. आप ये filter बनाने का try करेंगे जो हमने अभी इस workshop में बनाया है. Like this one filter, I'm talking about this filter जो हमने आज workshop में बनाया. Just try to create this filter. And I just in the next session, in the next workshop, what I will do, I'll just add one more feature. हम इसमें गाना add करेंगे, like गाना or maybe something, I'll just add some more sounds or pick a revive और कुछ और मस्त सी चीजें add करेंगे हम इसमें. So I'll just tell you all these things later. You can just go to file button and you have to just save this, okay? And okay, let's save this. I'll just save it with emoji eyes. That's it. Now you can close the Sparker filter and just go on your own, make some amazing filters, and you can just reach out to us anywhere. You can reach out to us on LinkedIn, you can reach out to us through our mail, you can reach out to us Facebook community. We are also having a Sparker Facebook community also. तो आप कहीं पर भी हमें reach out कर सकते हो. कोई issue आपको आ रहा है, suppose if you are getting an issue regarding the this Sparker creation में आप कोई filter बना रहे हैं, कोई issue आ रहा है, so multiple experts are over there, that group, Facebook group. So you can just drop your query. आपको fraction of seconds के अंदर आपकी query सारी solve हो जाएगी. So this is what you can do. Just start making some filters. So just go through your Sparker as download कीजिए and just try to create some filters. If this doesn't fascinate you, nothing can. By creating by investing just 1 hour of time, you can just create. This is your side hustle. You can just make it as like a side hustle. If you are investing your, or trust me, those who are having an edge of some Blender, and those who know how to work with Photoshop, Figma, Canva, all these tools, किसी को इनमें से कोई भी एक tool आता है ना, he can do some amazing things in Sparker world, very amazing things. अगर आपको कोई भी tool, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Figma, Canva, कोई भी एक चीज use करनी आती है, then you can win this world. You can win the Sparker world. So this is how you can create. So make some amazing filters. Just tag me up like I have created this filter. I'll just give a thumbs up to it and just try to bring some more impressions on your Sparker filter. So this is all about the Sparker thing, and let's turn our imagination into reality, guys. Let's do this. Thank you for the session, guys, and thank you for joining in, and thank you for KIT University for hosting this session. And you can, so this is a link where you have to submit your all the Sparker filters. So it is somewhere, it's on your screen. You can go to this form and you have to submit all the filter. And one more thing, if you will go through this form, you will see some options like effect ID and all these things. So let me show you what are these. So अगर आप effect को submit करेंगे, you will just publish your effect. After publishing, it will take some time. Like it will generally, it takes like 10 to 20 hours of public review होता है आपका filter. Like जो Sparker है, जो Facebook है, उसकी कुछ policies है, like आप वहाँ पे कुछ intimate content या फिर harassment या फिर hate speech, इस तरीके से कुछ भी आप वहाँ पे अपने Sparker filter पे नहीं बना सकते. If Facebook will find you are creating something like this, it won't allow you to create a filter like this. Your filter won't be published. Okay, so there are some guidelines that you have to follow. So if you will publish your AR effect, you will see something like this. आपको इस तरीके से अपना एक इंटरफेस मिलेगा Sparker Hub में, and how you can get all those effect ID, owner ID and all these things. I'm just showing you. Go to Sparker Hub. आपको अपने filter को select करना है, and you can yeah. So yes. So effect, then yeah. So just wait for it. You can just go to Sparker Hub, and आपको यहाँ से अपनी जितने भी effect ID है, owner ID, सारी आपको यहीं से मिलेंगे, Sparker Hub से मिलेंगी. And don't panic if your effect may be taking some more time. Sometimes it also takes one entire day to complete the review process. So just be patient. You will be getting everything on your own. Okay, so that's it. This is all about today's session. I hope you enjoyed today's session. So this is all about the Spark AR thing. Don't, you know, uh, just try to create more and more filters, and let's win this filter. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you everyone for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow for the second workshop where you learn how to add background and audio files in your AR effect. I've shared the submission link in the chat. Please submit your AR effects and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.